in the lower... Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lewis County in central New York, northeastern Oswego County in central New York, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Redfield, or 16 miles north of Camden, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lowville, Whetstone Golf State Park, Haymarket, Denmark, New Bremen, Watson, Martinsburg, Lionsdale, Greene, and Fort Lyden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Buffalo. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the St. Lawrence Valley, which includes Messina and Potsdam. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms until midnight.
Another considerable SVR for Lewis and Oswego.